Did you know that ISO 9001 permits using or releasing a product or service that does not meet specified requirements? I'm not kidding, stick with me, and I'll explain. Hello everyone, this is Mark with Lean ISO Management Systems. We'll continue exploring ISO 9001 Clause 871 in today's video. If you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button to stay updated on our latest releases. In the previous video, we examined significant parts of the clause and reviewed 5 typical dispositions: return to the source, rework, suspension, regrade, and scrap. Today, we'll wrap up reviewing dispositions by examining the final one suggested by the standard: obtaining authorization for acceptance under concession. But, what is concession? According to ISO 9000-2015, Element 312.5, a concession is, drumroll please, permission to use or release a product or service that does not conform to specified requirements. Yes, you heard that right. The standard actually suggests that with permission, we can use non-conforming products. What kind of nonsense is that? I struggle to understand how a quality-focused standard can explicitly allow non-conforming outputs. Isn't that a direct contradiction of the standard's intent? I think it is. The scope of ISO 9001 states, this international standard specifies requirements for a quality management system when an organization needs to demonstrate its ability to consistently provide products and services that meet customer and applicable requirements. So, how can an organization demonstrate its ability to consistently provide products and services that meet requirements and ship non-conforming products? Okay, let's get back to reality. Indeed, life isn't perfect, and mistakes happen: scratches on aluminum sheets, incorrect paint colors, blend durometers off spec, and so on. So, what do we do when things go wrong? The standard suggests we call the customer to ask for permission to use the non-conforming product. Honestly, customers often accept these variances if they can live with them. But here's the problem. If the variance is acceptable, why wasn't it part of the original specification? I can think of many reasons, but for this discussion let's leave this question open and move on. Whatever happened to our original specification, there is a solution. A long time ago, I worked with a company that did not allow a use-as-is disposition. Instead, we implemented use-as revised. The philosophy was simple: if the original specification is deficient but the product is still usable, you revise the specification and use the product under the updated requirements. Through decades of auditing, I've seen only a handful of companies adopting this approach. Most others, unfortunately, continue to allow use-as-is dispositions. What are your thoughts on this issue? Please share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your opinion. This concludes our review of dispositions of non-conforming outputs. In the following video, we will complete the rest of the 871 clause, review the processes for informing the customer, and verifying conformity when outputs are corrected. Stay tuned because that video will also discuss other communications not required by the standard but obligatory for specific industries. To wrap things up, here's a quick summary of what we covered today. Remember the objective of the standard: quality, quality, and quality. The disposition of use-as-is contradicts the intent of the standard. Address the problems at their core and practice use-as revised disposition. As always, check out the free resources available on our website. Feel free to contact me with questions about this topic or need assistance implementing your lean management system. My information is below. Before you leave, join our I Like Lean Club, subscribe, share, like, and comment. Your support helps us promote our Lean QMS project. Thanks for watching.